SYG Tech is here. Hey, how's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to help you to transfer all your files from your old iPhone to your newer iPhone. So let's assume that you bought a new iPhone. So I have an iPhone XR here. And let's say you had an iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 6, 8, and so on. You want to switch to iPhone XX, XR, XS, and so on. So you want to transfer all your files, all your apps. So in today's video, I'll show you how to do that. It's very simple. So just follow my steps and you're gonna be okay. So let's start now. So make sure you have plenty of battery. So this is the first welcome screen, the setup screen. When you buy a new iPhone or even when you buy a second-hand iPhone, this is the first thing that you can see when you turn the iPhone on. So make sure you have battery on your older iPhone as well. So no apps required, no cables required, no connection to PC or Mac required. It's very simple steps to transfer all your files. So as you can see on my iPhone 7 Plus, all my apps are here. Games, apps, applications, pictures, videos, so everything is here. So I'll transfer everything from this iPhone to your new iPhone. So let's do that now. So let's start. So the first thing that you have to do is just follow my steps. So swipe up, and as you can see, we have a message. So set up new iPhone, as you can see. So follow the steps. So first choose language here. I live in UK, so I choose United Kingdom. And now the second step on your older iPhone, do continue. As you can see here, the next step is, as you can see, we have like a QR code. You need to scan that with your older iPhone. So let's do that. Let me show you. Okay, so this is being scanned. So now we waiting, and as you can see, I need to put my passcode here. Let me put my passcode. So after you put your passcode, as you can see, now we're gonna have a couple of options. So this will take a couple of minutes. So depends how many stuff you have on your older iPhone. In that case, I don't have many apps, many videos, pictures. So depends how many things you have here. So this will show you for how long this is gonna take. But usually this is gonna take like 2 minutes for me because I don't have a lot of stuff on my older iPhone. And actually this is a brilliant way to transfer all your files from your older iPhone to your newer iPhone. This is it's great. So you can set up Face ID later. You don't need to set up Face ID right now. So let's do that later. Okay, so this is gonna take a couple of seconds. So if you're getting value of this video, I really appreciate if you hit that like button, and while you're there, just subscribe and turn on your bell notifications for future uploads. Thank you very much. So let's see now what's gonna happen. Set up later. Okay, so we have a couple of options here, as you can see. The first option on the top is to transfer everything from your iPhone. And the second option is to transfer everything from iCloud as well. For iCloud, I believe you need a Wi-Fi to transfer everything. Depends how many stuff you have. In my case, I'm going to use the first option, so let's do that. Alright, so now we have an option here, so terms and conditions, so let's accept it. Alright, so now, okay, so keep your iPhone up to date, so continue. Also, it's gonna ask you to turn your location services. I will skip that for now. You can do that later. Also, it's gonna ask you to set up Apple Pay. You can do that later as well. You can skip that option for the moment. Okay, so also we have an option to set up Siri, but we'll skip that for now. Also, iPhone analytics, we're gonna skip that as well. And now, as you can see, we have all the data is transferring now. So everything from your older iPhone is gonna be transferred to your newer iPhone. Make sure that the both iPhones are close to each other, because obviously you don't need to lose the connection because you need to start again. So as you can see, this is gonna take about a minute, and the reason for that is because my old iPhone doesn't have a lot of stuff. I don't have pictures, I don't have any videos. So if you have, like, let's say pictures, videos, contacts and so on, this may maybe take about 15 to 20 minutes, depends how many data you have. But as you can see, this is gonna take about a minute. Alright, so there we have it. As you can see, we have everything is being completed, transfer completed, so you can press OK on your older iPhone. So we don't need this iPhone, but just to let me show you, so all my apps, everything, all the games, everything, contacts, emails, everything will be transferred to your new iPhone. So we don't need this iPhone anymore. And now the new iPhone is gonna take about another maybe 5 minutes, couple of seconds, just to transfer everything. So we're gonna wait for that now. Alright, so after a couple of minutes, the iPhone is ready. So this is the welcome screen. So you can swipe up. You need to put your password as well. So yep, the password is done. So as you can see, restore completed. So successful. Again, terms and conditions, you need to agree to that. And restore completed. Obviously, it's going to ask you for some options here. Set up later. For the Apple Pay, we don't need it right now. Also, not now. You can choose your zoom, display zoom, continue. Welcome to your new iPhone. And as you can see, all my applications are still here, and all my widgets are the same. As you can see, this is perfect. So everything is being transferred from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. As you can see, all the games, everything is here. So this is gonna take time to download everything. But yeah, there you have it, guys. If this video is helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and if this is helpful for you, I really appreciate that if you share this video. So how to transfer all your files from your older iPhone to your new iPhone. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.